Hey guys, this is Dharani, you're watching Tech Brothers. So in this video what you're going to see about is 5 things. So 5 things you should know about the Samsung Galaxy M20. So let's get started. First thing, new camera setup. Compared to the M10 and M20, what? I forget anything? In this side or the side. Anything, the I button will be given for M20 leaks and rumors. Go and check it out. As we thought it came, the specs also came same. So let's get started. First thing, new camera setup like M20 and M10, right? M20, new, as I said, new camera setup. So M30 will be coming with a triple camera setup. So which will be the first phone for the company budget smartphone series. Samsung launched the A7 mid-range phone with 3 cameras. According to the reports, the Samsung M20 Galaxy M30 will be the sport 13 megapixel camera and 5 megapixel sensor. Second thing you should know about the Samsung Galaxy M20 is bigger battery. Yes guys, they like M20 and M10 and they given the 5000 milliampere battery like that. In this phone also they given 5000 milliampere, and that's cool guys. And they are telling that this phone will be bulky. Don't know what, but even the Motorola One Pro is bulky, so it's gonna flop little. So you don't know what's gonna happen next. So third thing you should know about the M20 is the performance. Yes guys, this smartphone will be running at the Exynos 7904. It's a big name. Yes guys, starting with the RAM of 6GB or 6GB 128 built-in storage. The new chip from the Samsung brings advantageous features for the mid-range phones. Ensure that the single camera resolution of up to 32 megapixel. One good news guys, this can this can record 4K up to 30 fps and 10 and Full HD at 220 fps. Okay, Samsung claims that this processor 7904. This Exynos processor can handle the graphics good, and you can play PUBG, you can play Fortnite. Both will be good, like that thing. So let's go to that. Next thing, it's price and availability. Samsung Galaxy M30 is expected to be available on the price of 15,000. So this will be exclusive in Amazon. I don't know currently, because the e-commerce they're telling that none of the phones should be exclusive, but they're telling that it will be exclusive. We don't know about that. So next point is competition. Yes guys, the Samsung Galaxy M30 will be completing the Mi A2. What? Mi A2? But I heard that it is competing with the Redmi Note 7. Yes guys, even I don't know that. A few people are telling. I think that M20 how I say, I think that the M20 compares with the Redmi Note 7 with the processor, I think, and Mi A2 with camera, I think, because it's got a triple camera, and they're telling. And the Mi A2 prices is 13,994 rupees, which is not even 14,000. And this, when it's gonna release in this 28th of February 2009 is gonna release. Even the Redmi Note 7. But one extra point for the Redmi Note 7 is it got the 48 that Redmi has got here. They have got with their 48 megapixel of camera, but Snap 60 doesn't support 14 megapixel camera. How, if you think, let me tell you in a short way. Like how I say, I said it's 48 megapixel camera, right? It takes 12 megapixel camera. It means it's taking 4 12 megapixel camera, then adding it and making us 40 megapixel. So this one of the advantage comparing to the M30. So the smartphone is, again telling, this phone is expected in India is 15,000 in India. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Tamil video